Darmawan. Today I will give you a tutorial how to tighten the motor chains. Beside the transfer the driving force from the engine to the wheels. The chain on the spot tape motor and the dog will definitely loose. The first step is to prepare the necessary tools such as wing bearings and a bearing freeze. First check the distance to apply the chains from the normal position in rally 40 to 50 ohm. If first pass the tolerance limit as main as flag. Of the axle tools are loose enough. All you have to do is adjust the chain tension with the key. Okay. Okay guys, that would be all for the session. Thank you.